Hello, my name's Probal Sil from Elyzium, and I'd like to talk to you today about Workload Migrator, the least risk, most cost-effective way of migrating from your existing scheduling environments to IBM's industry-leading Workload Scheduler product. So today, many organizations are using either out of support or outdated workload automation environments from various organizations like CA, BMC, etc. And what we do is we take the scheduling objects from those environments and create a roadmap for migrating to the IBM product. We do this by running it through the first piece within the Workload Migrator product, which is called the Analyzer. So what the Analyzer does is it takes those scheduling objects and creates the associations between them. So what that means is that where there are dependencies between jobs and streams within the source environment, it clusters them together to create a block of information that then can be migrated. So we create multiple blocks from that data. So this becomes the streams that will be migrated to the new environment. And then this is loaded into the migrator application itself, which is an iterative process. So each block goes into migrator. The iterations take place as part of your application testing, the functional testing, to ensure that what you're doing today is what you'll be doing in the future. Any optimization that's required as part of that functional test is achieved. And then the output goes to the IBM Workload Scheduler product. In that way, what you're doing today is replicated within the new environment, and you're consolidating from your old out of support, out of date workload automation environment to the latest and greatest version of the IBM Workload Scheduler product. So what's the starting point for Workload Migrator? Well, it's called the Workload Assessment, and it's a report that builds your blueprint for migration. Depending on the size of the infrastructure, the Workload Assessment varies in length in terms of time, but it builds the project team as well in order to justify the project moving forward. So Workload Assessment is where are you today, where do you need to get to, and the roadmap of how to get there. So it's the individual pieces that make up the end-to-end migration, de-risking the project. The Workload Migrator application is an ETL-based tool. So extract, translate, and load. It doesn't use scripts, it has no manual conversion. Everything is done through this specialist tool that's designed for migrating from one workload automation environment to the IBM Workload Scheduler. Because Workload Migrator is based on an ETL tool, we can give a 100% conversion guarantee. The scheduling objects that are available within your current environment will be available within the new environment as well. The functionality of that is part of your iterative testing process as part of Migrator itself. Therefore, what you're doing today is what you'll be doing in the new environment. Workload Migrator is a fast and accurate service. This leaves plenty of time for functional testing of your scheduling objects, which is usually the part that takes the longest. Workload Migrator has been around for many years. It's been used by system integrators and end users alike, and is the most cost-effective way of migrating to IBM Workload Scheduler. In summary, Workload Migrator is an ETL-based migration service. It ensures the smooth and risk-free migration from your existing scheduling environments to IBM's industry-leading Workload Scheduler product. Thank you for watching.